My dream house would be a cozy house in the countryside. It would have one floor. And a large, beautiful garden.
In the bedroom, there would be a soft bed.
And a big window to see the flowers. I would also want a quiet study room. Just for reading.
My dream house would be very comfortable and peaceful. I would feel relaxed.
And proud living in my own cozy house with a beautiful garden.
Bye! See you next time!
Hello everyone! My dream house would be a big, modern house near the beach.
It would have 3 floors.
And a large swimming pool in the garden. Inside, I would have a spacious living room.
With a big TV and a cozy sofa.
I also want a special room just for books.
My dream house would be very bright with many windows. And it would be very comfortable and peaceful.
I would feel super happy living there. Bye!
So guys, that was a tour of my dream house. Pretty cool, right?
I think the special book room is the best. It is so cozy.
And I really love the large swimming pool. It is perfect for summer.